started, right? It's Friday, September 13th, 2024, 10 something in the morning, right? Okay. This is about a Sony CFS-D10 that I, and if you can read that or not, okay. Anyway, it's in stereo to go. I made a listing of, anyway. Okay, here is one I made a very bad video about. It's got like 1,900 views on it, but here it is. And I queued up to play a song. And I really like the bass on this. But here's the one in the box that I got, so while that plays, I'll open this up. This one's supposed to work. It's supposed to look nearly identical to this, but hopefully this one's in better condition than that one. I don't know. Alright. Has 1.5 watts channel and 5 watts into the rear speaker. I read about that somewhere. That's only on, you know. Okay, oh my gosh. I'll just cut her on the way into this thing. I don't know how they packaged it, but. Really came from Japan. We got some, Japanese newspaper, right? You see that? Okay. Separately packaged power cord. Why they do that is like, is that going to hurt? Oh yeah. It's a cleaner condition than that one. Of course, I don't remember. I looked through all my files and everything, and I can't remember when I got this thing. I just know I've had it for some time. looking for another one, and I finally got one. This one's, there you go. That's what I'm playing. And this one, well, you know what's different? This one's got shortwave, this one does not. This is AM and FM. This one has shortwave. That's basically the difference between the two, but there's that, like this. And it's got the, the subwoofer in the back, right? Once again, here's the front of it. Got that, it's got shortwave, okay? So it's got an extra deal there. And it's got tape radio line in, volume, and so on and so forth. So like that. Alright, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and play it, right? See if it works, that is. Here's the one I've been playing. Here's my tape. And we'll just unplug the power. Move that, well, yeah, we'll put this one down here. How about? Plug this in. Okay, so we'll just set it up here, right? And we'll radio, it's on FM. And volume. Okay, so the radio works.
What's next is school student from Texas.
I'm not here to play the radio. That works better.
It begins by making their grades and being on
Tape
time
player
for
plays,
practice.
so
It includes learning to
put
listen.
it on tape and drop in my cassette. Oh yeah. DoDeCaHORN, and this one says Megabass. So that's basically the difference between the two. This one has shortwave, this one does not. So it says complete antenna. Of course, he said the antenna was loose, but it said the cable won't stay up. So that's easy, just tighten the screw in it. There it is. I gotta take it apart and I gotta get the foam covers that have the D10 written on them. Just remove that and let the speakers show up through there and so on and so forth. But here, let me just okay, guys. Yeah. So here's the one I started with, right? Looks like that. Of course, now this is making a sound because it's got that fluttering against the speaker, right? So that one does the same thing there, but this one works great. Don't even really need to do anything to it except take it apart and clean it. But this says, you can't see that there, it says DoDeCaHORN and it says Megabass, right? So basically the difference between the two. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go.